Welcome to this step-by-step course on affiliate marketing. Let's get straight into it. What is affiliate marketing and why should you do affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is a way for you to make money just by recommending a product. One of the coolest things about it is that you don't have to invest money on inventory, shipping, or storage because you're helping to sell someone else's product, allowing you to start with $0 out of pocket. Another great thing about it is that you can do affiliate marketing from anywhere in the world, thus being able to live the laptop lifestyle that so many people dream of achieving. There's lots of different ways that you can start doing affiliate marketing, and I'm going to go over the best ways in this video. Affiliate marketing is when you're selling a product for someone else, such as through the Amazon Affiliates program. When you recommend a product or service that you like, you earn a commission from the sale. For example, if I'm in the market for a new laptop and I'm looking at review videos for the top laptops and I use their affiliate link to purchase one from Amazon or another website, they are going to get a commission from that sale. And as I mentioned earlier, you don't even have to worry about stocking or shipping the product. You make money just by talking about the product and promoting it. With affiliate marketing, you don't even have to show your face. That's completely optional. Some of the top affiliate channels simply show or talk about the product. For example, channels that do review videos or unboxing videos. The commission percentage for affiliate marketing ranges usually from 5% of the sale to 50% of the sale, but this depends on the affiliate marketing platform and product that you're promoting. Please be advised that affiliate marketing is not a get-rich-quick scheme, and it will require dedication and patience. There are multiple channels you can use for your traffic source, such as making a blog, a YouTube channel, Instagram, TikTok, or Pinterest. So if you haven't already set up your traffic source, you will need to get started on this ASAP. Then start posting items that you want to recommend or promote. When doing affiliate marketing, it's important to pick a niche. If you're posting about totally random and unrelated niches, like if one day you make a post about gaming, then later about fashion, and then about pet-related items, the platforms will not know who to show your content to. So make sure to focus on one niche. This way, social media platforms know who to show your content to, and this will help your following to grow faster. With affiliate marketing, you can sell physical products or digital products, so make sure to pick a niche that relates to the type of items you want to promote, preferably something you're genuinely interested in. Which brings me to my next point. It is very important to be authentic or you will lose the trust of your audience, so make sure that you only promote products that you actually use and like. The top affiliate platforms where you can start finding offers to promote are ClickBank, Amazon Affiliates, and Digistore24. If you're posting on your niche Instagram or TikTok account, then it's recommended to use a platform for your links, such as Linktree or Beacons.ai. This will help you to organize all your links in one neat page that your audience can go to and quickly find your offers, and is especially helpful if you don't have your own website or blog. If you would like to start a website or blog, I recommend using Hostinger, as this is the host I use and in my opinion offers the most value. For making a website, you can use WordPress, which comes with Hostinger, or you can hire a freelancer to help you make a basic website. If you're going to be doing affiliate marketing on YouTube, then you don't really need a website. You can simply post your affiliate links on the video descriptions of your YouTube videos. And if you haven't already done so, you will need to go to Amazon.com and set up your Amazon Affiliates account. So now I'm going to show you how to set up your Amazon Associates account. Head over to the Amazon Affiliates program website. You can click the link in the description or search Amazon Affiliates on Google to find it. Once there, click on Sign Up. Follow the instructions there and enter your basic information such as name, address, how you want to get paid, etc. You will have to set up your tax information and payment information, so have that information ready. Once your Amazon Associates account is created, you can start creating links. You can create them from this page here by clicking on Product Linking, then Product Links. Then link to any page, and then just copy and paste the page of the item you want to promote and click Get HTML. However, this is not the best way to do this, as it will give you a long and unsightly link. The best way to get your affiliate links is by using SiteStripe. Once you have SiteStripe activated, you simply navigate to the page for the item you want to promote, and if you look at the top left corner of your screen, you should see the SiteStripe bar with the words Get Link and text right under it. Click that and it will give you a nice looking short link. You can paste these links directly into your video and reel descriptions. It is important to note that the difference between the Amazon Associates program and the Amazon Influencers program is that with the Amazon Influencer program, you get your own page on Amazon with a URL to showcase the products you recommend. Anyone can become an Amazon Associate, but to be an Amazon Influencer and have your own storefront, you will have to qualify by having a website or an existing following. So if you're just starting out, go with the Amazon Associates program. If you need more help on understanding how the Amazon Associates and Influencers programs work, you can simply go to Amazon Creator University. You can get there by simply doing a Google search for Amazon Creator University. This has a lot of helpful information about how the program works. You can follow the similar process to get set up with ClickBank or Digistore24. Make sure to visit these and browse for any products you like or might want to promote. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope that you found some value from this video. If you haven't already done so, please hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe.